those three tables. So is that over? Select to star from EMP data is one table. Select to star from courses, one table. Select to star from products, another table, right? These are the three tables, right? Okay, three tables, right? Now, first, let us make some queries by using single table. By using single table, right? I think yesterday already we done some queries as single table, right? Okay. But now also let's make some queries on the single table, guys, right? Single table. And yes, what's first table? I'll just copy this table and there. The table, right? This table, guys. Right. Write a query. Write a query to display employee names. Employee names who is from Hyderabad and the salary is more than all of you. Salary is more than 30,000. Salary is more than 30,000. That means that employee should be from Hyderabad, and the salary and more than 30,000. All of you. He is must be Hyderabad. And see here, and is important. And out of all Hyderabad employees, who is having more than 30,000, we want his name. So here, there are two conditions, guys. Remember, all of you. There are two conditions. First condition is what? From Hyderabad. Now take it to Hyderabad. This is the Hyderabad data. That is all. Okay. Next, it is also Hyderabad data. Okay. Next, it is also Hyderabad data. Right. And it is also Hyderabad data. That is the first. That is for first filter. How many rows came? 4 rows came. And the salary is more than 30,000. Salary is more than 30,000. Now check the salary for only Hyderabad people, not for remaining all people. Don't check the salary for remaining people, guys. Not required because we kept the under. Under means what? Wherever it is true, the same place it must be true. Wherever it is true, it's true. Location Hyderabad, location Hyderabad, location Hyderabad, Hyderabad. It is true. The same row, it must be true. Then all output will come. That is what and here. That is what and meaning. Now check for all the 4 people. The salary 30,000. Here say 30,000. No, not 30. It is false. Hello, right? The salary not 30. It is false. The salary not above 30, it is false. The salary not above 30, it is false. Right. And finally, only which one for this Hyderabad only, the salary also above 30. Hello, right? So there, a display what only name. What is the name? Sai, right? Sai. Now, can anyone guys tell me the query right here? Can anyone tell the query? All of you? All of you guys. Today, let's make a fully practice session from both side, guys. Okay. Right. So from which table? EMP data. From EMP data means from this table, get all the data first of all. All the data means all columns, all rows. Out of all the data, first filter the rows where location equal to what? Location equal to Hyderabad. And And salary is greater than what here? Is greater than 30,000. 30,000. Wherever both are true, then take only their name. Only name only. That's all. Only name, guys. Copy this one. Let's go here. Let's paste here. You can see the name. Location is not there. Location is there. Arre, why I'm giving all a spelling wrong location? Right. Who is that one? The answer is Sai, guys. Okay. What is the answer? The answer is the Sai. Sai is the person from Hyderabad who is taking more than 30,000. More than 30,000. 30,000, guys. Okay. That's fine. Next, the second question is the second question is write a query. Write a query. Okay. To display the salary of of all TCS employees, the salaries of all TCS employees. Write a query to display the salary or salaries of all TCS employees. Salaries of all TCS employees. Okay. TCS employees, guys. Tell me now. Tell me what we do now. Right. Tell me now. So first, from EMP data, where uh, company equal to what? TCS. Then select what I want to display only salary. Select to salary display. Now I copy this one. I paste here. You can see now. So TCS employee salaries are only two. That means what? Only two members working in TCS, right? Working in TCS, right? Only two members in TCS. One, two. Two members are there. All of them. Next, write a query to display to display to display uh, uh, non-TCS employees. Non-TCS TCS employees. Non-TCS employees data, guys. Means I want all employees data except TCS employees. I don't want the TCS employees data. I mean all employees I want. Tell me now. Same. From EMP data, where company is not equal to what? Not equal to TCS. TCS. Then display what? Select star. Star means what? Display all employees data, not the names, right? Okay. Or you can take the e-names. Then displays only employees names who are from other than TCS. These are all from non-TCS employees. Pen, right? And next one, all of you. So here the highest salary actually we have seen which one Radha, right? Radha is the employee who is getting the highest salary, right? Highest salary, guys. Which company? From Chennai and Microsoft, right? Yesterday we have done that one, right? So these are simple queries, guys, a single table, right? Now what we do? I'm going to see. And one more thing, all of you, if you observe in each question, there are two things you have to observe. One is what you want to display, what you want to display. All of you observe now. What you want to display and what is the filter. What is the filter? All of right. So this is what here, this is called a display part. This is called what here? It is called a display, right? Display part. What you want display? Display part. This is what you want filter, condition part, right? Now the big thing is whether both are from same table or not. Display part, which one? E-names. What's table name? What's table name? EM, right? Employer, okay? EMP data table, guys, okay? And a filter, location based, salary based. These two belongs which table again? Which table again? Employee table, right? EMP data. Means in this case, both, okay, both belongs to same table. Both belongs to same table. That's why we just make in single query, guys. The answer I'm making in a single query, single select only. Single query means single select query. We are done because in these three questions, both display parts, filter part belongs to same table. Belongs to same table. That's why we are making a single query. Suppose, imagine now, write a query to display employees' names who are learning Python course. Who are learning Python course. Means what? Course table, right? That means what? Course table. So here employee data table only. But this is what? Course table. Course table, right? Second table, guys. Course table. Now both from same table? No, not same table. At that time, we should make two queries. One query on the course table and second query on the employee table. Then we get the output, guys. We get the output. At that time, this is called the first query. This is called what? Second query. It is also called inner query. It is also called what here? Outer query. Inner and outer query. That's all. It is also called the sub query also. What you call sub query, guys. The first query or inner query is also called what here? Subquery. That's what we see now. How to make the queries from the two tables. From the two tables. Okay. What second table? Second table is course, guys, right? But here to perform this operations on the two tables, one important point is there to remember. What is the important point? Means the two tables must have one common column, guys. The two tables must have one common column. What is common column here? Here E number column and this is what here EID column. EID column. Both are common columns. See, common column means not about the same name or different name. Common column. Common column means first of all, data type should match, guys. Data type should match. Should match the first thing. ENO, EID, both are integers, right? That's first thing matched. The second thing is some values, match. Some values match required. It is not mandatory, guys, but some values match. It is required. That's all, but not mandatory. It's not a should match. At least some values must match compulsorily, guys. All right. About the name of both columns. The name of both columns can be same or different names. The names of both can be same or can be different, guys. Names not a problem, right? Both integer, okay. And here some values are matching. Some values are matching here. That is called what? Common column. Generally, we think that common column means, sorry, here columns names, here all columns names different, so no common column, no. Common column means what here? The data type should match and some values must match required. The name can be same or different. The names of both can be same or different, right? Now, my question is here, write a query to display employee name who done Python course. Who has done Python course? Now observe here. What is the display part here? Display part what here? Employee names. And what is the filter? Python course is the filter. All of right. This is from which table? It's from employee data table. This is which table? Course table, right? Course table, guys. Both belongs to the same table or no? It is different table. It is different table, right? Different table. Now, what do we know? We know the filter. Which table? Course table. Now, this is what course name, right? So, wherever course name is Python, wherever course name is Python, then take corresponding common column ID, not its unique ID. No, don't take the unique ID here. So wherever course Python is there, right? Then take corresponding common column ID. Why? Because this common value only going to match here and get the name. Get the name, guys. If you take suppose 1001, you can't match 1001 here. Why? Because these are the course numbers, these are the employee numbers. So no matching. That's why all of remember this is very the strong point. Which one? Wherever the filter is there. Take corresponding common column ID. Which one? 101 coming. The 101 we match here. We match here. It's matching here. Then take corresponding name. That is the output. That is the output. Which one? The name is the output. That's why here common column plays a very important role while working with the multiple tables. This common column means what? A relationship, right? A relationship between two tables, guys. That's why I told you in the beginning of SQL. What I told you in entire RDBMS, the relationships play very important role because I'm going to work with not one table, the multiple tables. That's why all tables must have common columns, guys. All means every two tables must have. Okay. So these two have common column. Next, these two have common column. Next, these two tables may have common column. Next, these two tables may have common column. Again, these two tables may have common column like this. Like that, every two tables must have common column, guys. Every two tables compulsory. Okay, right. Now, for this one, I read the query. Just all of you observe now. All of you observe one query. I'm going to explain here. All of observe now. When I explain, guys, remaining all same processor can do very easily. So observe what's question now. The question is write a query to display which one employee name. Display employee name who has done which course Python course. Who has done Python course. Who has done which course Python course. All of observe. All of observe. In the same process, if you analyze, then you can write any big queries also. This is the question, guys, right? Now first identify what you want to display. To display employee name. What you want to filter. Who has done Python course, right? So I can take this is a display part. This is a filter part. Okay. All of you observe. This is called what? Display part. It is the display part. It is what now? Filter part, right? Filter part. Now, display part is coming from which table? That's important now. Display part is coming as part of employee data, and the filter part is part of which one now? Course data. Course, okay. Course data, guys. All of you. Which table is here? Employee data table in my MySQL, and this is part of which one? Course, right? Or courses. Courses, okay. Courses, guys. Courses. That's all. Now, all of you guys just concentrate more. Very important point now. I'm going to teach very important point. Just concentrate here. Just maintain some distance. Now, so see what I told you here previously. I told that first from wherever C name of Python is there, from there you start guys searching all of right. Okay. So by seeing these two tables, if I ask you who is learning Python means what do you say? Where you start searching from Python onwards because we know this name. We know this name, right? So we start from searching here onwards. Wherever course Python is there. From there, take what here, take what 101, take what 101. For this one, write the one query. Write the one query. On which table? On course table. All of right, which table? Course table. What is query? Wherever course name Python is there, then get that ID. Get means what? Select that ID, right? All of you observe here. So, wherever, which one? Tell me now. Course name, equal which one? Python. Python is there. Wherever course name Python is there, right? Wherever course name Python is there, Python is there in this table. In this table, course name Python is there. Python is there. From there, get what? Get that number, right, guys? Get that number. Get that number. Okay. All of you number. Which number? Which number? Tell me now. Which number I get here? EAD number, right, guys? EAD number. So I'm getting that EAD number. EAD number. That's all. EAD number, guys. All of you. Means on the course table, wherever course name Python is there, I'm getting corresponding ID, maybe one ID, two IDs, and number of IDs are ID is coming. Now what do I do here? This ID I compare with what this number, all of right. So this ID, see wherever Python is there, getting what getting the ID EAD. Now this EAD compare with what compare with E number. Compare with E number, which table in employee data table, and then display what? Display E name, guys, right? Display E name. So it means here. So what I compare here? Here I compare what? Course name. Here compare what? I compare E number equal to. Equal to what? This one, guys, right? This one E number equal to EAD. E number equal to and compare. Wherever it is matching E number, where in this table, wherever that E number match with EAD, then from the table, I want display what? I want display employee name, guys. Display what here? Employee name. Employee name, that's all. All of right. So wherever course name Python is there, then take that EAD. The EAD value match with what? E number. Wherever both are matching in the table, then take what corresponding E name. Like that, we implement the chaining process, guys. Chaining process. All of right. So let's observe here. So course name Python, right? Your course name Python. What is the number coming here? 101, right? So what's the output here coming? The output is 101, guys. Okay. Means after the first query over, what answer came here? What answer came of first query over? 101 came. All of you are clear this one now. This is first query now. Okay, 101 came, right? 101 came. Now that 101, I match with what here? See, wherever E number equal to 101, right? 101. Actually, under E number, how many values are there? Multiple values are there under E number. You see, under E number, you have 101, 102, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108. Like that, we have multiple values, okay? 109, something 110 also, right? Now, this 101, we should compare with all numbers, 101, 102 matching. Any other matching is there? Any other matching is no. No, only one matching is there. Only one matching is there. That one matching name, what is the name? What is the name? Sai is the right? That's how you get it, guys. That's how you get it. That's all. All of you. Clear this one now. If you go in detail again, here, actually what IDs are there? Tell me now. 101, 121. See, 101 is there, right? Okay. 102 is there. Again, 101 is there, right? 103 is there. 102 is there. And 104, 104 like this, right? Total is 7 rows. This is actual data, guys. Okay. Now, first, for Python, see, sometimes the same Python can be two times also, guys, right? Two times also, for example, three times also. For example, imagine now. So Python compare here. Any Python is there? Any other Python? So any other Python? No, only one Python, only one value is there, right? So only one Python. Then what is the value? Not one only, not remaining values. It will check the remaining values also, but only this is matching. Again, this 101 match with all the numbers. It is matching. That name will come. But the name Sai will come, right? It try to match remaining numbers also. Matching no. It is matching no. It is matching no. It is matching no. It check all the matchings, guys. It may be any possibility of other values also. So no matching is there, right? All of you. There's no matching, guys. Only one matching is there. That name is the output, right? So this is the first, sorry. This is the first query, and then this is what second query. This is what here second query. Observe now. I give the point here. This is what sub query, guys. Okay, inner query, right? And this is what outer query, guys. Okay, outer query. That's all. Inner query, outer query. All of them. So outer query means outer query. What is the inner query is there, guys? Right? Inner query is there. Inside the outer query, what is the inner query is there. So first, what happens here? First, it executes. Inner query executes first. Some output will come. On base of that one, it executes now. It executes, guys. Okay. So this is what now outside. Total you call what outer query. Total you call outer query. Inside outer query, what is there here? Inner query is there. Sub query is there. Sub query. But sub query again, a query inside the other query, guys, right? Sub query means what? Sub query means a query inside another query. A query inside what? Another query. See, guys. That's all. So this is what sub query inside another query. This is, so it's called a sub query. The concept name sub queries. The concept name is what? Sub queries, guys. Okay, right. Now I'll make the first query here. Let me know. From courses, where C name equal to what? Python, right? Python. And then get what now? Compulsory only AD value, guys. So always inside subquery, always output should be AD only. Inside the subquery, always output is what? AD. The filter can be on a course names or course fees or institute, whatever it is. But what is the compulsory output here? EAD only. That is mandatory. That is mandatory. Why? Because that EAD only common column, right? That EAD only matching with the E number. That's why these two should be taken side by side, guys. For to build the link between the two tables, it is building the bridge between what those two queries, guys. Okay, right. Now again, outer query. What's outer query here? From EMP data, where E number in, then take this all in the bracket, guys. This all in the bracket. You see now, all of right. So I have taken all the bracket here. This is what inner query. And display what now? Select what? E name. That's all. Select E name, guys, right? Select E name. That's all. So first it executes inside the bracket. What is that? Executes first, guys. Select EAD from course where C name equal to Python. It executes, some output will come. What's output will come here? I told you 101, right? 101. Now 101 comes like this. It replaces the output 101. Now again outside wherever 101 is there, the E number 101, wherever 101 is there, it displays that name. That's all. We can see now. I take the entire query, and I'm going to paste here. I'm going to paste here. You can see now. Courses. Sorry guys, what is the name of courses? See, what's the name? Nani, na? Oh, sorry. Nani is the first person, right? Okay. Who is that one? Nani, right? Nani learning Python course. Python course. Now, all of let me know, everybody, is this clear? All of you. Right. Next one, write a query to display, right? Uh, employee name, and salary. Uh, display the names and the salaries of NTH institute or institute of employees who studied in a NTH institute. That's all. I take for display which one? Names and salaries, guys. Names and salaries of employees who studied in NTH institute. Yes. Now, guys, tell me. I love you guys. So here first again, which one studied NTH means all right. So observe now. I'll take the subquery first, all right? So from which one courses where I name equal to what NTH equal to what NTH, right? NTH, guys. Then select what select E8 in E8. That's all. So if run this one, guys, now how many values will come now? Two values, right? Because there are two employees who studied in NTH. Two employees are there, 101, 102, right? Okay. And on top of this one, we'll take from EMP data where E number in now should use in, guys, because now we're getting the two values for comparison, right? We're getting the two values should use in Then select what? Select e-name. That's all. E-name, comma, salary. E-name, comma, salary. Right. So Geetanjali and Ganesh, you are using W, right? W, right? Okay, you're using correct. You're using equal here, right? Okay, correct, correct. Both are correct. So should use in, right? Correct, guys. Both are correct. All of you. Okay, are clear now, guys? The how to make the simple queries, right? Huh? So and this is on two tables, guys. On two tables. Now all of you, what do I do? I'll make some questions, guys. I'll make some questions. I'll share you in the drive or in the WhatsApp within 1 hour. On these two tables only, guys. On these two tables or any two tables I create, I'll share you. And though just to try, guys, we try. And tomorrow I'll explain how to work with three tables. Tomorrow we'll see how to work on three tables and four tables. If you do very well this practice on two tables, understanding three tables very easy. All of you are clear now? Ganesh, everybody guys, give reply. Ashwini, Ganesh, Geetanjali, Jagadish Reddy. Okay. And Kishore, Manoj, Monica, Soumya, Papireddy, Ranjan, Rai Kumar, Stavia, and Ramya. Right? So we stop it now, guys. I'll share that document just to practice on this one. Okay. Thank you all of you guys. Bye.